Hi everyone, want to turn your photos into 3D videos? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using the CapCut and Dreamina AI image tool. Let's get started. First, open the Dreamina AI in the CapCut. Then, inside here, or type a prompt to generate an AI image, or upload your own photo if you already have one. Then, once the image is ready, import it to your timeline like a normal clip and make sure that its quality is high for the best 3D effect. Then tap on the image and select the style, and then choose the 3D zoom or 3D zoom pro. And the CapCut will analyze the image and create a smooth zoom 3D motion. And to make it even cooler, you can add motion or background or overlay effects like lens flare, glows, or particle effects. You can even duplicate the image and use a keyframes for the fake parallax. And once you're happy with the animation, tap export and save your 3D video in HD or 4K. And that's it. You've just turned a flat image into a stunning 3D using CapCut and Dreamina. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.